Hello friends, in this video we will explore what is the behavior of equal to operator, what is the behavior of equals to function. Okay, in this program I have created two string variable r1 and r2. This string variable I am creating using new operator, new string of Suresh. Both r1 and r2 having a same value, same content called Suresh. Now I want to compare the R1 R2 values. Here I am saying system.out.println R1 equal to R2. If you read this program, you must understand R1 R2 both are having a same value. So this equal to operator return true because both are having same value, right? Since both are having a same value, this equal to operator return true. So this system.out.println print true value. That is your thinking, right? But that is not the correct. This equal to operator always check memory location of this particular data. Memory location of the particular data. Whenever you say R1 equal to new string of Suresh, Java runtime environment JRE will create new memory location. Let's say 75. String R2 equal to new string of Suresh. Again I am saying string R2 equal to new string of Suresh, but R2 is a different variable, but that variable also holding a value Suresh. Again JRE will create new memory location. Let's say it's a 50. Okay, let's say it's a 50. Now this equal to operator will check what is the memory location value. So R1 is a 75, R2 is a 50. So R1 equal to R2. When compared R1 with R2, both are not the same address, right? Different address. That's the reason this will return false. This will return false. Now what you understand now, the equal to operator always check memory location of the particular variable value. Memory location of the particular variable value. Whenever you say new string, Java runtime environment create new memory location of particular variable value. So, see both R1 R2 having a different memory location. That's the reason this equal to operator return false. If both are holding a same memory address, it will return true. Okay. So according to this program, this equal to operator return false because R1 R2 located in different memory location. This 75 50 just assumption I am giving the value. Okay, in the whenever you create a new operator, new string, when you say new string, Java runtime environment create a new memory location that is a different random numbers. This is a different random numbers, both are always different. Okay. Now we'll see this one. System.out.println R2 equal to R1 equals of R2. This equals function always check content of the variable. What is the content in the R1 Suresh? What is the content in the R2 Suresh? So both are same value. That's the reason this equals function return true. Okay. So the equals function always return this equals function always compare content of the variables. Since R1 R2 having a same value, this equals function return true. Now I am running this program. See, the first statement return false, second statement return true. Okay. Now I have created two more Java variable x1 x2, two more string Java variable x1 x2, both variable having a same value called Java. Now again I am checking this x1 equal to x2. In the next video we will check what is difference between this and this. Okay. Until then keep learning. This is Suresh.